So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a new project that I think you should join. So in case you missed Grass season 1, yeah, don't worry. This project I'm about to show you, it's an amazing project. It's similar to Grass and it has an amazing potential. So it's very easy. So I'll be showing you guys how to join this project and farm it on both your computer and also your mobile phone. So please make sure you like this video, share this video, and drop your comments below. So what you want to do right now is to come onto this website. I'll be leaving the link in the description below. So the name of the project is called Bless. Yeah, as you can see, Bless, which is an amazing name. So you can come through the website right here, read about how it is. As you can see, it's all about you sharing your data, your computer data, just like Grass and NotPay. It's kind of similar. So what you want to do right here, you want to make sure that you come over to this section and you want to click on the Get Chrome extension. So that is the first thing you need to do. So click on that, but I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Now, if you notice right here, you see we only have 100,000 people. It means that this is a new project and we are all early birds. So if you join now, you'll be an early bird because you are new to the project, and which give you a upper hand and a good advantage while mining this project. So you need to click on install, but you're seeing remove from Chrome because it's already installed on my computer. Yeah. So what you want to do next right now is to make sure that hold on, let me see. You click on the extension because you have already installed it. You click on the extension. So this is how my own look like right here, but let me just log out. As you can see, so I've logged out already. So let me just start it afresh to show you guys how it is. So what you want to do right now, after you install the Chrome extension, you want to click on sign in. So every link right here, I'll be leaving it in the description below. So make sure you make use of it. So you want to click on sign in. So there is no place for you to be like sign up or register. So you just want to sign in. So it's straightforward here. So you want to input your email. Now note that a code will be sent to you. So don't worry, you don't need to click on any sign in. Just click on login with email. So they will tell you that a code has been sent to your email. So as you can see, verification code 6 digits. So you can also use your GitHub or your Google account if you want directly, but I prefer using the email. So let's go to my email. This is the code. As you can see, the 6-digit code. We need to copy right here and head back. I think it's right here. Head back here and paste it. So this is where we are going to get automatical access to the Bless platform. So just allow it to load to confirm. So it's redirecting us to the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So I've been on this platform for the past 5 days right now, as you can see right here. Let me just put this into dark mode. So this is how it looks like. You need to understand that your extension must be active. This extension must be active, yeah, before you will see connected. So sometimes you might see not connected here if this extension is not active, you understand? So as you can see, it's disconnected. So as you can see right there, this is what I'm talking about, not connected. So always make sure that you switch this thing on, because when you sign in for the first time, it will be off. So make sure you sign it, click it on, toggle it on like this, and you will see connected right here. So you are currently mining the Bless platform right here. So if you want to take note of your referrals, you can click here to check your referrals. You can click here to check your achievements and your knobs. So if you notice, yeah, you will see that I have like a lot of I have 5 knobs right here. So this is basically me using 5 different browsers, and they are all browsing for me, making me gain more daily reward on the Bless platform. So I will do a video about this. I have done a video about this on Grass Airdrop, how to do this on Grass Airdrop and how to do this on NotPay. So I'll be doing a video about this also. So these are all my browsers currently. So if you come down here, you see that I have the Chrome browser right here. I mean, this is the Opera Mini, not Chrome, sorry. So you can see the Bless platform is here. See, the Bless platform is here. I have the other one right here, the Bless platform. This is the Microsoft extension. The Bless platform is here also, as you can see. So I can see it's mining this other one too. So on one computer, I'm using 4 browsers to mine. Yeah, so that is how it is. So this last one right here, it's my mobile phone. That's why it's disconnected. So I've not connected my mobile phone. So if Hold on, let me show you. So if I go to connect my mobile phone, it will come online. You will see that disconnect will come to connect. If I turn on my mobile phone right now, it will show connected, because now it will show that I am making use of 5 devices on the same account, which is not illegal at all. So we can just like refresh, because I've connected my mobile phone right now. So as you can see, my mobile phone is on also. So if you notice, you will notice that despite the fact that I am using one computer to do this, it has different knobs IDs, so which makes it 100% legal. So you can read their terms and conditions on their documentation to know more. So this is how it looks like. So we can go back to our dashboard right here, and here also you can see what you have been mining since you joined, from referrals to bonus time and everything. So this is how it is. So this platform is amazing. Please make sure you join, make sure you share with your friends, and all the links you'll be needing, I'll be leaving it in the description below. And yeah, so the last thing I need to do before I forget is to show you how to join this platform on your mobile phone. Yeah, so what you want to do right now is to make sure that let's copy this, let's copy the URL, and let's go to, so this is a mobile simulator. So let's say you have an Android phone or an iPhone. So I'm using a mobile simulator called BlueStack. This will help me to show you how you can do it on your Android phone. So you can make use of 2 browsers. You can make use of either Mises browser or Kiwi browser to do this. So we'll be making use of Kiwi browser for this. So it's basically the same thing. So let's just change this and impute the link here, bless.net. So what you want to do right now on your mobile phone, yeah, this is how it should be on your mobile phone. You want to click on Get Chrome extension. So it will take you to the Google Chrome extension, where it will warrant you to download it. Now this is how it is. You want to click on Add to Chrome. Please make sure you join this platform as an early bird, because it will do you a very, very, very good favor, since maybe some of you might have lost the opportunity to join Grass airdrop. So this is another opportunity for you to, to regain your glory. You can join the Grass airdrop. You can join the NotePay airdrop. I'll be leaving the links in the description below, and some other videos about those airdrops that I've done already. Make sure you check them out. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask. I'm always here to answer you guys and to make sure that I put you through on all these airdrops. So these airdrops, they are basically called the NOBS airdrops, and a lot of people are now gravitating to this kind of airdrops because it is more reliable and it is more better than the so-called Telegram airdrops that keeps on disappointing a whole lot of people, and they require you to pay money on those airdrops. So these NOBS airdrops are the best. So all you need to do with NOBS airdrops are just to install their extension on your browsers and share your data, and you're good to go. So as you can see right here, we are done installing the plugin. So what you want to do right here is to click on these 3 dots. So remember, this is Kiwi browser on mobile. So you want to scroll down and you can see our Bless right here. As you can see right there, I have other stuff installed, yeah, but we want to come to the Bless. We want to click on Bless. So it's just the same process. You want to click on login. So let's allow it to load. So like I said, what you want to do, you want to impute your email right here. So let me just do this right here and just let me walk you guys through. I don't want to cut any corners. So this is how it's going to be on your mobile phone. So if you don't have a PC, it's easy. So the code has been sent to my email. So let me go back to my email. I've done it already, but let's do it again. So we have the code now. So copy. We come back here and we impute right here. So it's going to verify to make sure that it is legit. So let's give it a moment. It's redirecting us to our dashboard. So this is how it's going to be. Very, very easy. I would advise you to make sure you join as many NOBS airdrops as possible. Those airdrops that, well, you only need to install the extension and browse and you'll be making money. Those are the best airdrops. The Telegram airdrops are useless. The Telegram airdrops are a ripoff and a time-consuming airdrop. So as you can see, we are connected. And also, if you come down here, let's look for our extension down here. So as you can see right here, we are connected already. You can check all of this. You want to check your knobs, you want to check your referrals, you want to check your achievement, everything are here. So let's check our knobs. So this knob shows you how many devices you are connected to or how many devices you are using to mine. As you can see, I'm currently making use of 5 devices. So it's not like 5 devices, it's just different browsers which you can do on your mobile. So you can use like Brave browser, Kiwi browser, and Mises browser. and you can just install the extension on all these browsers and log in the same credentials, and you'll be mining like this. So this help you to mine faster and to get more reward on a daily basis. So this is your stuff, and as you can see, I joined 5 days ago, like I said before, and this is how it looks like. So if you have any questions, please make sure you let me know in the comment section below. You can personally go to this website right here, read more about them to understand better. And thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me till this time. Until I see you in my next video, take care of yourself, and bella ciao amigo. Bye bye.